them all a treat, and now they're all having fun eating their treats. Look at that, it's Christmas time and Hanukkah season here at the kennel in Washington, D.C. Don't forget to check out our other videos of all of the animals that are up for adoption here. We just gave everyone a treat and a toy, and now they're all busy having snacks with their treats. Isn't that right? Thanks, Clive. Clive says hi. This one's my favorite. This is Bruce. He's busy chewing though. See, everyone's happy and snacking and playing. Let's go back in the other room real quick. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks, Beckham. Oh, look, you're still playing with your toy. Yes, you are. Good girl, Daisy. Hi. This little guy. This is my other favorite here. He's a sweetheart. So is he. Everyone's just so happy right now because they have new toys and treats. Oh, and you're playing with your new one too, aren't you? You're having a snack. Good boy. We'll go back in here where everyone's busy snacking. Hey, Alan, we need another toy. We need one more toy on this one for Clyde.